Okay, hello dear mathematicians. So in this video we are going to learn some new and interesting stuff about basic proportionality theorem. So I hope you all know the basic property of the Thales theorem or B.P.T theorem, uh, which says that if the line xy is parallel to line ON as given in the triangle, so what will happen? There will be a very good equation that we usually write. It will be mx upon OX will be equal to my upon ny. So for example, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Then it will be A upon B equals to C upon D. So this is the basic proportionality theorem that we have studied so far or we have learned so far. Now we are going to learn something about basic proportionality theorem only, but it will be a slightly different diagram from now on. So what will happen is in the diagram, we will have three parallel lines. As you can see in the diagram, I will use red color marker to denote it. This one, and this one. Line 1, line 2, line 3. Now these three lines are parallel with each other. There is no triangle. Basic proportionality theorem, अभी तक हमने जो पढ़ा था, it was for a triangle. But you do not see an exact triangle here, but you can see if I extend this line to somewhat away, so I will eventually get a triangle. Right now there is no triangle. Right now there are three parallel lines. So similarly, in case of three parallel lines, this theorem again stands true. Here my ratios will become AC upon CE equals to BD upon DE. Similar case जो हम करते थे, left side के segments and right side के segments will be in equal proportion. We are doing the same thing here as well. Let's see a question to solve. Let's see how do we solve a question based on this type of diagram. Let's move to the question now. So the question is, in the figure 1.31, AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. If AC equals to 5.4, CE equals to 9, BD equals to 7.5, then find DF. हमको किसका किसका वैल्यू दिया हुआ है? हमको AC का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, it is 5.4, CE is 9, BD is 7.5. And DF is not given, let us assume it as X, or you can just keep it DF as well, whatever is convenient for you. So in this scenario, what will happen is, let's first write given AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. Okay. Now, according to BPT, basic proportionality theorem, AC upon CE equals to BD upon DF. Okay. Now, let's put the values to find out the value of DF. AC का value will be 5.4. CE का value will be 9. BD's value is 7.5. And DF's value is DF only, because we do not know the value of DF. So let's simplify it. We'll cross multiply everything. So what will so the next step will be, I'm starting it on the side so that I have enough space. So DF will cross over that side, so it will become DF equals to 7.5 into 9 upon 5.4. Now 9 and 5.4 will get cut. It will become 0.6 and 1. I have cut it from 9. And 0.7.5 divided by 0.6, when you cut it, you will get the answer as, let's see, is 0.6. Let's first remove the decimal. It will become 75 upon 6. Let's reduce it from 3 first. It will become 2. It will become 25. Now it is 25 upon 2, which will be 12.5. This is your final answer. DF equals to 12.5. This is how you find. So the main trick here was to find out the ratio. एक बार आपको ratio पता चल गया, then it is just solving and finding the value, which is simple calculation. So I hope you understood the logic of these ratios. It is similar to BPT. AC upon CE will be equal to BD upon DF. That's the basic theorem here. Okay, thank you so much for watching.